Hi, this is Karen from Cool School with Karen. I want to thank you for taking a peek at my newest creation, which is designed to help your students learn the traditional algorithm for subtracting double-digit numbers. I'm going to just click the spacebar in a second to turn to the screen that you'll see. And just know that anytime you want to activate an action or go to a new page, that's exactly what you'll do too. Just tap the spacebar or the enter key. So this little girl shows up to show us what our product looks like. This is what your screen will look like. Click to begin, and then little girl's going to dance around, asking the kids if they're ready to learn. Going to tell them the objective of the lesson, using the algorithm for double-digit subtraction. What in the world is an algorithm? Is probably what most of your students will be thinking at this point, and what a lot of your parents are probably going to need to brush up on. She says that's a good question. She's just going to simply explain that an algorithm is a reliable set of steps for solving a particular type of problem. In other words, it's always going to work that way. You might tell your students they're used to adding tens and ones this way at this stage, but then they're going to see this, and they probably will say something like, oh, that's the way my parents want me to do my homework. And you can explain how it's made by stacking the numbers, accentuating the place value. Then to further stress the point that this isn't just a trick, you have to be thinking about what you're doing and why you're doing it. So maybe this is what that person is thinking in their brain. Starting with the ones, of course. Leaves us 3. We have 4. We're taking away 1 10 stick. Leaves us 3 10 sticks. Choose 30 plus 3, 33. We're going to try some more problems. There's going to be 12 total problems for the kids to run through in this. And then we're going to go on. I'm going to run through this pretty fast just so that you can see, oh, warning, wait. You need to know something that is very important. You must always remember to start with the ones column. Trust me, dude. And all your students will laugh at that point. And this little guy is going to make an appearance throughout the presentation. Yep, one day you'll thank me for that advice. One day you'll get it. So I'm going to click pretty quick through the couple of these. Remember, I'm activating each part by just pressing the space bar. 51. Your students, remember, have their own follow-along sheet, so they're copying that algorithm down, that problem. And then you're asking them to draw base 10 pieces. Of course, you could actually have them use base 10 pieces to work it out either way. Remind them we're starting with the ones, just like that little dude said. And we're subtracting 1. Go through this kind of quick. Okay, now you're giving the students the out to possibly quit drawing or quit using the base 10 pieces if you feel they're ready for it. And we're reminding them, clicking through pretty fast. And they're checking their work as you go. Ah, there's our guy again. And this is our last one that you'll see in the real show. And after they check it, reiterate what we were teaching, using the algorithm for double-digit subtraction. And that's the end.